Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be talking about preparing your TPT shop for fall. And personally, when I went around about this process, I decided to view it as like a fact-finding mission. So you're going to be seeing this video on May 28th, 2023. And as I am thinking about my shop for fall, I really wanted to start by preparing for August. And basically, what I asked myself is, what do I need for August to make my shop better? So I asked myself, what products, do I want to make? What products do I have? What is my bundle situation looking like? And how are my categories? Now, these are all great questions for you to ask yourself and you to kind of fill out when you're working on your TPT shop. And then from there, I really created an inventory list. And within this list, I kind of kept in mind, what do I need to make? What do I need to improve? Because there's some things I really need to improve on. Where I want to list my products, and where do I want to market my items at? Now, this year, one thing I am focusing on is marketing. Last year, I was focused on content creation. I'm still focusing on content creation, but I know that in order to drive more sales to TPT, I feel like the next logical step is going to be marketing. So within my inventory list, I needed to make a self taught back to school lesson, which is kind of like the meat and potatoes of my shop. And then I have supporting worksheets that would go along with that. And then I bundle them together. So that's kind of my formula for like, what do I make and why? And then what did I need to improve on? So on this fact finding mission, I realized that I need to do better on my listing descriptions, figure out the whole SEO situation, and I need to figure out my categories and make sure everything is organized nicely. So when thinking about this, and I covered this in the last video, I went to list my products on TPT, Teach Simple, Made by Teachers, and Classful. And this week, I actually sold another resource on Classful. So that's 2 within a week, which I felt like was surprising. So we're going to see how that goes. That kind of gives me more hope for listing products elsewhere. And then when I'm thinking about marketing my items, I want to do definitely Pinterest, possibly TikTok, maybe a secondary YouTube video. Now, the reason why I did those 3 is because they are in the same vertical format. So it won't be hard to just kind of copy and paste them. So that is kind of my idea for marketing. Also, I've been looking at automated platforms that you can upload your stuff to, and then they will just automatically schedule it for you. So that's something else I'm looking into. I will share more information once my cat is being loud right now. Sorry about that. Um, once I get more information on that, I will share it with you. But when I'm thinking about marketing, I'm mainly marketing towards teachers. Pay teachers is where I'm driving my traffic to. So that's kind of like my inventory list and everything as a whole. Now, I suggest when you are like doing all this stuff, try to make it fun. This is literally my notebook I got from the Dollar Tree. And then I added some fun stickers that I had from my favorite show, Gravity Falls. It's a fun looking notebook. It makes me happy whenever I work in it. So try to make it fun. And then the inside of my notebook, this is what I have for August. I kind of had the products I had last year was items 1 through 4, and they were in a bundle. And then items 5 through 8 is what I want to create now. And then I will bundle those together. So I'll have a total of 8 back to school items, 2 bundles. And then I have my listings of the products and I write them down once I have them uploaded to the separate platforms. And for me, this kind of helps me stay on track and organized, and it helps me document my progress when I make these products because it's very easy to feel discouraged and overwhelmed when you are trying to grow your shop. So, this is kind of my general plan. I'm going to each month tear these out, but I think I'm going to stick them in a separate folder so I can look back on them and see the progress that I made. I feel like that would be fun. But what is next? Now, the next video is going to be on marketing and my research that I've done on marketing and what tools I'm using and maybe how this could help you. And then I'm going to create a detailed plan for August. And I will be showing you my process, how I'm going to upload things, what's my plan for marketing, and kind of the steps that I'm taking in chronological order. So, this is what I am doing for August. I hope that you start planning for fall for your TPT shop. And if you are, please let me know in the comments below and let me know what your goals are for this summer. If you like this video, please subscribe and I will see you next time.